Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing great in your life. If you have been searching how to get rid of dark spots from your face and also about dark circles, then here are two DIY face masks which you could try to get rid of dark circles and dark spots from your face. So, to prepare this face mask, you'll need one cucumber along with aloe vera gel. So, to prepare this face mask, you'll have to peel and grate the cucumber as I am doing in the video. So you simply need to peel, wash and grate the cucumber as I am doing in the video. So I'm just grating the cucumber. So cucumber has lightening properties. If you apply it on your face, it lightens dark spots. It makes your skin glowing and fresh. So just grate the cucumber as I'm doing in the video, or you can also use a mixer grinder to do it, and later on just strain the juice out of the paste. If you have been searching how to get rid of dark spots on your face and also dark circles and internet frequently, and if you're willing to try DIY face mask, if you believe in it or you can try it, then you can surely try any one of this technique. There are several different ways to get rid of dark spots from your face and also to get rid of dark circles from your under eyes. So you can use any cream or serum to get rid of dark spots or dark circles from your face. Vitamin C serum works best to give you glowing skin and also reduces dark spots. I have used Claire's vitamin C serum, which have worked great for my skin, which had helped me in reducing the dark spots and blemishes from my face. But when I have time, I use DIY face masks which work better for me as well. So both are good option. It depends on your situation and which one do you really want to use. So I'm just straining the cucumber juice after grating it, so you'll get something like this. So from half a cucumber I have got approximately 3 to 4 teaspoons of cucumber juice. So you can also use it directly on your skin by dabbing a cotton ball into it, or you can also freeze it into ice cube tray and use it later on if you want. There are several different ways to use cucumber juice on your face to get rid of dark spots or dark circles and also to get glowing skin. So it also works on dark circles. So here is the cucumber juice. So next you'll need aloe vera gel. So I have aloe vera plant, so I'm using fresh aloe vera leaf. You can also use a store-bought one, but the fresh one usually works better. So I'm just cutting it from between and scraping out the aloe vera gel from the leaf. So you can use whichever you want. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin E. It gives glowing skin and it also helps in fading out dark spots. So I'm using aloe vera gel. This face mask usually stays runny and watery in consistency. If you use the store-bought aloe vera gel, then only the face mask stays in a gel-like consistency, in a thick gel-like consistency. So whichever you are using, if you are using the gel one, then you can store it in fridge and use it for 2 to 3 days if you want. And if you are using the fresh aloe vera leaf, then you have to use it directly when you're making it. Like a fresh batch will work every time for you. One approximately 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of cucumber juice along with half of lemon juice. If you are sensitive to lemon juice, then you may not use lemon juice, and you can also use the aloe vera and cucumber juice if you want, but lemon juice kind of work for me, so I'm using lemon juice into this face mask, as lemon has lightening properties and it lightens dark spots. But in many cases people are allergic or have sensitive skin, so they can skip lemon juice. So I'm using half teaspoon of lemon juice into this face mask and mix the face mask well and apply generously on your face and let it stay for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can use this face mask 2 to 3 times in a week, and if you have sensitive skin or if you are allergic to lemon juice, then skip lemon juice or do a patch test before applying if you're not sure about it. So if you use this face mask frequently and correctly, then it will surely give you brighter and glowing skin. Along with it will remove the dark spots and dark circles from your skin if used frequently. So it will take time to get rid of the dark circles, and dark circles take time to get away with, but it will surely give you good results. So you can try it if you want. So if you are allergic to any of this ingredient, you can also try the second face mask, which I'm going to share right now. So to make the second DIY face mask to get rid of dark spots and dark circles, you will need one potato. Potato have bleaching properties. It lightens dark spots and also fade the dark patches around your skin and blemishes. So to prepare this face mask, you need to cut the potato in half, peel and wash and grate as we did with the cucumber. So here I have peeled and washed the potato, and now I'm going to grate the potatoes to extract the juice from it. So potato juice, if kept for a long time, it turns black as it has starch in it. So here I'm grating the potato. Now I will be extracting the juice from the grated potato. You can also use the mixer grinder if you want, as it takes longer time to grate the potatoes or the cucumber. You can also take the mixer, as it would be more convenient for you. So here I have 1.5 teaspoon of potato juice. Now I will be adding 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and along with it 2 teaspoons of cucumber juice. Mix everything well together and apply this DIY face mask to get rid of dark circles. Let it stay on your skin for 20 to 25 minutes. You can use this face mask 2 to 3 times in a week to get the best results. If you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel and please do like the video. Thank you for watching.